Hey everybody, it is GTC Coasters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a smooth coaster in Planet Coaster. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings and then click Quit Planet Coaster. It doesn't make too much sense right now, but it will in a second. Next, you're going to go to your Planet Coaster homepage in Steam. You're going to go to the settings, click Manage, and then click Uninstall. And you will see why you have to do that in a second. You have to wait for it to uninstall and make sure it is completely uninstalled before you move on to the next step, because this is the most important part. So once Planet Coaster is completely uninstalled, you're going to exit out of Steam and go play a completely different game, because I think it's quite safe to say it's physically impossible to make a smooth ride in Planet Coaster. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and be brave and ride on.